little one, come sit with me beneath the sky beside the tree. I've brought my bag and storybook. Let's take a softer, closer look. The world is wide, so full to know. And even here, we too can go. Hi friends! It's time for our next story adventure. This story is called The Three Little Pigs. Ooh, I love the Three Little Pigs. Can I be the wolf? Of course. Let's start the story. 3 little pigs left home one day, each with a plan to build their own way. The first one said, "I'll work real quick. A house of straw, just pile and stick." But in the woods with sneaky paws, a hungry wolf licked his jaws. Kojo, that's you. Ooh. Little pig, let me come through. No way, no how, not to you. The wolf let out a mighty gust, and down went straw in a cloud of dust. The little pig squealed, "I've gotta run!" Off to his brother, this wasn't fun. The second pig built a house with sticks, snapped in place with careful clicks. Not too fancy, but it'll do. No wolf will blow my house straight through. But soon a shadow crossed the ground. That sneaky wolf came creeping round. All right, take it away, Kojo. "Oh, huff, oh, puff, I'll make a breeze. Your stick house will fall with ease." The wind howled loud, the walls gave way. Another house gone today. 2 pigs raced off, feet moving fast. Only one house left to last. Oh, this is gonna be good. I can't wait to see what he does with the third pig. Kojo, focus. The third pig worked brick by brick, stacking strong and laying thick. No gust of wind will shake my door. This home will stand forevermore. The wolf arrived, his belly tight. His growl was deep, his teeth shone white. "Oh, huff, oh, puff, I'll blow and blow. Your house will fall before you know." He huffed, he puffed, it didn't budge. The wolf stomped hard, he held a grudge. "I'll climb inside and get you yet." He scrambled up without regret. Down the chimney, slick with soot. The wolf slid in, nearly burned his foot. Ow! Hey, where'd they come from? With a yelp, yow! He leapt in fear and dashed away, no pigs to steer. The 3 pigs cheered and set the table, safe and sound, strong and stable. They laughed and ate without a care. A happy home beyond compare. Whoa, that was a lot of fun. I love the 3 little pigs. Did you like that story? I can't wait to do the next one. See you later, friends. Let's get to think, come on, let's go. In every place the numbers flow, no matter when, no matter who. 1, 2, 3, can sound brand new. Spanish. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, do your best. Swahili. Moja, mili, tattoo. Stomp your feet and shout, yahoo. Let's go to think, come on, let's go. In every place the numbers flow, no matter when, no matter who. 1, 2, 3, can sound brand new. French. 1, 2, 3. Spin around, ooh la la. Japanese. Iji, ni, sun. Wave your hands and have some fun. Let's get to think, come on, let's go. In every place the numbers flow, no matter when, no matter who. 1, 2, 3, can sound brand new. Hawaii. Ekai, Elua, Ekolu. Wave your arms like the ocean blue. Let's count to 3, let's go. No matter where the numbers flow, no matter when, no matter who. 1, 2, 3, can sound brand new. What language do you count in? Let's do Zulu. Konye, Kobili, Kotatu. Wave your hands, yeah boy, you. Let's get to think, come on, let's go. In every place the numbers flow, no matter when, no matter who. 1, 2, 3, can sound brand new. Oh, hi. Hi, friends. We're almost ready. I just finished making a yummy snack called Chin Chin. I made it for my friend Abena. She's coming over to play today. Chin Chin is a treat from West Africa. You might find it in places like Nigeria or Ghana. Wait, did you say chinny chin chin? Like, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin? Like the three little pigs? Ugh. No, silly. Not that kind of chin chin. This chin chin is sweet, crispy, and really yummy. And guess what? I already made it before you woke up. Here it is. I'll put it here. You can have some later. Let me tell you what's in it. We use flour, sugar. What are you doing? Nothing? Okay. Flour, sugar, butter. What are you doing? I'm sorry. I was just taste testing. Okay. We use flour, sugar, butter, a bit of milk, some eggs, and sometimes a dash of nutmeg for flavor. It's gonna be so yummy! I can't wait to taste some once Savannah gets here. Akos, you ate almost all of it, and it's not enough for everyone to have. I'm sorry. It was just so good. Hi, Ekua. Hi, Akos. Hi, Abena. We made some chin-chin for you, but Akos ate it all. Hi, Abena. This is for you. I messed up. You can have the last chin-chin. Well, that's okay. Maybe we can share. Thanks, Abena. This is delicious. Maybe next time we can make something together. Yeah, a play date and a cooking day. Can I help too? If I don't eat anything? Do you hear that sound? What sound is that? It's a piggy! This little piggy went to market, and this little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went, wee, 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 all the way home. To market with Piggy so sweet, skipping along on her little pink feet. To market, she wiggled with glee. Home again, time for some tea. Piggy in the garden, digging with her snout. Sitting in the sunshine, running all about. She found a carrot, she found a pea. She did a wiggle and rolled by a tree. Oink, said the piggy, let's play all day. That littlest piggy squealed, hooray! She ran through the daisies, jumped in the stream, till Mama Pig called, come and get clean. Hi, friend. Let's sing Old MacDonald. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a... Do you hear that sound? What animal is that? It's a cow. A cow says, moo. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a... Do you hear that sound? What animal is that? It's a pig. A pig says, oink, 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 oink. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Do you hear that sound? What animal is that? It's a horse. A horse says, neigh. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This time, let's sing some words in Swahili. Let's try it. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Kofi, do you hear that sound? It's a pig! That's right, it's a pig. Nguruwe. Pig. Can you try that? Nguruwe. Pig. That's how you say it in Swahili. Nguruwe. And on that farm he had a nguruwe, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Kofi, what sound is that? It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Ngombe, cow. Ngombe, cow. Can you try that, Kofi? Ngombe. You try it. Ngombe. And on that farm he had a ngombe, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a ngombe, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... Kofi, do you hear that sound? What animal is that? It's a horse. Farasi, horse. Farasi, horse. Can you try that? Farasi, horse. And on that farm he had Farasi, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had Farasi, E-I-E-I-O. Kofi, that was a lot of fun. Thanks, friends, for learning Swahili with me today. Thanks for singing Old MacDonald with us. We'll see you soon. See you soon.